Haters are just free marketing. They hate you because you make what they want look easy. They don't wish you well because they wish they were you. People hate when you're confident because it exposes their insecurity. Never fight fire with fire, just let them burn. Your presence should feel like a privilege. If it doesn't, leave. Being misunderstood is the cost of being above average. Pay it well. Most people won't support you because that means they have to accept that they fell behind. If they could do better, they would have. People will always pretend to hate things that they can't have. People don't get quiet when they support you. They get quiet when they know they lost the race. You didn't